Welcome back to the Lido Boulevard Journal. I'm Ethan Gilson, and I'm here with
Dante Roberts.
Let's get right into the news.
Our 7th grade National History Day was a success. The students presented amazing projects. We will soon have the names of the students moving up to the next level. Please stay tuned.
Starting today, the Long Beach Middle School will be starting a segment called the Club of the Week. We will be interviewing club members and advisors to see what the club is all about.
I'm Susan Herrera Padilla from the Lido Boulevard Journal. Today we're going to be interviewing the Cooking Club. Follow me. Here I am with two of the counselors of the Cooking Club.
Hi, I'm Miss Green.
Hi, I'm Miss Burgos.
Please tell me what you are cooking today.
We're making nachos today.
That sounds so good. Please tell me some more facts about the Cooking Club.
Well, we meet every other Wednesday in room 36, and we just make lots of fun things. Nachos, French toast, grilled cheese.
French fries.
Miss Sparkles, what do you have to do to get in the club?
Well, you must join our cooking club on Google Classroom. There is a Google form that needs to be filled out prior to coming. We have a max of only 20 students, so space is very limited. And to follow those rules, you can come in and have a good time.
That sounds great. So guys, make sure to sign up today. Now I am here with some of the students in the Cooking Club. Please say your names.
Kieran Caroon,
Blake Revere, Owen Malone,
Kate Llewellyn,
Ethan Brown.
What do you like most about the Cooking Club?
I like that we can be with friends and cook together.
I'm gonna be honest, I just like eating. Yeah, it's better than the food my mom gives me after school. I like Cooking Club because since family Christmas time cooking is done, this is the only place I get to enjoy cook and eat, and only place I can cook in school, and it's really fun and been a lot of eating and cooking.
I like your mittens.
Oh, thank you. I was just about to take the nachos out of the oven.
That looks so good. Well, looks like they're done. Let's go check out the other stations.
So we're making nachos right now and some iced tea, as you can see over there. We're all gonna share it.
This is really fun. I really like to eat food and cook. So
What I like about Cooking Club is that I can cook stuff, and if I learn too much, I can able to cook something that's very difficult. Maybe I can in the future I make a cake, maybe a lobster or something like that.
That's a wrap. Back to the studio.
Thank you for watching the Lido Boulevard Journal. Signing off, I'm Ethan Gelson.
And I'm Dante Roberts.
Stay tuned after the credits for the fun fact of the day. Did you know that the fear of long words is hippopotamus monstrosus quipedaliophobia?